Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the world's most advanced machines and future technology. Today's video focuses on one of the most mysterious and powerful aircraft concepts ever discussed, the 2026 new Mikoyan MiG-41, Russia's next-generation interceptor that is expected to redefine high-speed aerial dominance. The MiG-41, also known as the PAKDP program, is believed to be the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound. Designed primarily as a long-range interceptor, the MiG-41 is expected to operate in extreme environments, defending vast airspace and countering advanced threats such as hypersonic missiles, stealth bombers, and even low-orbit space targets. The 2026 MiG-41 is rumored to feature a futuristic stealth-influenced airframe combined with extreme high-altitude performance. Unlike traditional stealth fighters, this aircraft prioritizes speed and altitude over close-range dogfighting. Advanced heat-resistant materials are expected to allow sustained hypersonic flight, making the MiG-41 one of the fastest combat aircraft concepts ever imagined. One of the most talked-about aspects of the MiG-41 is its projected speed. Reports suggest it could reach Mach 4 or higher, far exceeding current fighter aircraft. Equipped with next-generation turboramjet or combined-cycle engines, the MiG-41 may operate near the edge of space, giving it unmatched interception capabilities and rapid response times. The MiG-41 is expected to rely heavily on artificial intelligence and advanced avionics. A powerful radar system capable of tracking multiple hypersonic targets at extreme distances is likely. AI-assisted combat systems may reduce pilot workload, and some versions are rumored to be optionally unmanned, allowing both crewed and drone-style missions. The primary role of the MiG-41 will be strategic interception. It is expected to carry long-range air-to-air missiles, hypersonic weapons, and possibly anti-satellite systems. This aircraft is not designed for traditional air combat, but for eliminating threats before they can even approach protected airspace. If the MiG-41 enters service as planned, it could completely change the balance of high-speed aerial warfare. Its ability to intercept threats at extreme altitudes and speeds would make it a critical asset in future defense strategies, especially in an era dominated by hypersonic weapons. The 2026 new Mikoyan MiG-41 remains one of the most secretive and ambitious aircraft projects in the world. While many details are still classified or speculative, its potential impact on future air combat is undeniable. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more updates on cutting-edge machines and next-generation technology.